Okay, good morning, everyone. We are going to do the same thing today, personalized feedback on the essays. So, we'll start with E1 section. Uh, is Prashant there? Sandhya A? Yeah, yours is already graded, not a problem. So, and I'll only look at the essays that are not yet graded. Is Selva Priya there? Selva Priya, available? Huh? Okay. Other students can just watch, have an idea on what mistakes others make. So, we'll get an idea on how to write better. It's 336 words, Selva Priya. You need to cut it down to 300 words. Okay? Software won't allow you to write more than 300 words. When you start the paragraph, please give a space, that is, use the tab like this. Okay? Is this fully written by your own or have you copied from the internet? Okay. You need to use punctuations over here. Otherwise, that may be a typo error or whatever, but otherwise, the essay seems to be pretty good. Okay, so I can give you a 9 out of 10 for that. Okay. Next is Shahid there? Shahid? Okay. How many words is this, Shahid? It's in PDF. Okay, limited to 300, okay? The actual exam. Government is not a proper noun. You can use a small g for that. Okay. Otherwise, the essay is pretty good. Nice. Can give 9 out of 10 for that. Okay, next, Sheikh Anis. Are you there? Sheikh Sajid? Oh, Sajid is already done. Okay. Shalini Priya? Okay. Internet is not a proper noun. You can use a small I for that. Okay. Why do you need to put a comma over here? Doesn't make sense. How many words is this? Okay. Okay. This seems pretty good. Nice. Right. Vishnu Priya, are you there? Okay. Stop using these kind of symbols for and. Please write A and D. Okay, and you have just abruptly ended this essay. What kind of a conclusion is this? I don't think this summarizes the passage that you have written. You could have given a better conclusion. Okay, otherwise, the essay seems pretty good. Okay, I can give you also 90 for this. Um, okay, what about Akash? Are you there? Okay, okay. Hold on, it's not opening. I don't know why. Something wrong with my internet. No, internet is fine. Something wrong with LMS. Just hold on. Let me just cross check. Hmm. LMS is down. All other websites are open. Just hold on for a couple of minutes, guys. Something wrong with our Moodle site. So, I'll just probably in the meanwhile I'm not done. I don't know whether this is going to last for long. Just give me a couple of minutes. Let's just wait. LMS is back. Okay, ma. It's not the question of attendance. I'm unable to open. Okay. I think LMS is back. Okay, we are back online. All right. So I was talking to Akash, right? Akash, are you there? Akash left. Okay, we'll come back to him later. Sri Aishwarya, are you there? Okay. Have you written this on your own or copied from the internet? All sentences, huh? Hmm. Ref one, but see, the thing is, I can easily find out that you've copied from the internet. It doesn't look like your own sentences. How many words is this? Did you count the number of words? Can you hear me, Aishwarya? Do you know how many words this is? Okay. Fine. If you have written these sentences on your own, the essay is pretty good, but otherwise, please do not copy from the internet. All right. Okay. Next, Surya Prakash. Are you there? Surya Prakash? Not there. Tejaswin. Okay, finished. Okay, graded. Who else? Akash, are you back? No. Akash is there? Okay, fine. Right. Where is your essay? Okay. Akash, please don't give any subheadings like this. Okay, and do not capitalize like this. You're not supposed to capitalize radio, television, all these things. Please do not capitalize entire words. Okay. 381 words is too much. Please don't do that. Be careful about capitals. Beginning of a sentence needs to have a capital letter, right? And when you start a paragraph, please give a space. That is, use your tab key. Okay, right. Otherwise, the essay is pretty okay, but quite a few mistakes. Okay, I can give you about 8 on 10 for that. Okay, anyone else in E1 needs grading? Anis, where are you? Okay, Sheikh Anis. Okay. Be careful about spelling mistakes. Slowly landlines. See, word itself has underlined in red. Video calls is not one word, it's two words. Here also, see, Microsoft Word has underlined. When you start a sentence, start with a capital. Look at this. Hmm. When you use proper nouns like WhatsApp or whatever it is, the spelling may not be important, but since it is a proper noun, you have to start with a capital letter. Okay. And see, after YouTube, you have put a full stop. It should be comma. After Snapchat, also, you need to put a comma. Okay. So be careful about punctuations. You have suddenly put one open quotes over here. I don't know why you put it. If you have copied from the internet, please don't do that. Okay. Otherwise, seems okay. I'll give about 80 for that. 8 on 10. Anyone else in E1 requires grading? Prashant. Okay. This looks like you've copied from the internet. I've seen many essays with the same kind of questions. I don't know where you guys get this stuff from. It's a very general topic, man. Social networking sites, impact of social networking. I don't know why you have to copy things from the internet. So simple, you can write on your own. And I can see 377 words. Not necessary. You should not write more than 300 words. Okay. See, these kind of facts, you as a normal person, you cannot remember. So you can say majority of the hours are spent on social networking sites in a day. Okay, instead of exactly mentioning how many hours or anything like that. All right. Otherwise, this seems okay. Can give about 8 and 10. Okay, anyone else in E1? What about the others in E1? When will you submit it? Please write on your own. Don't copy from the internet. Submit today. All these reports will be sent this weekend to placement department. So if you have not submitted, I don't know what kind of action they're going to take. Your eligibility for placement might change. Okay. So okay, E2. Let me see how many have submitted in E2. E2 10 needs grading. Okay, good. 17 have submitted. The rest who have not submitted, please submit. Hemant, are you there? Jagdish, okay, graded. What about Venkatesh? Are you there? Vardhan, Karthik, who's that? Karthik, huh? Okay. Again, I think this has been copied from one of your friends. See, the same thing I saw right now in another essay. Huh? Both of you wrote the same essay, huh? What, man? Laughing, huh? What is the point doing like this? Huh? All mistakes, mistakes, mistakes. You guys should take some efforts in writing on your own, otherwise, how will I give you personal feedback? What is the point of conducting this class? The whole point is for you to know what personal mistakes you make. You guys just want to submit for the heck of it. Don't do that, yeah. Use this session properly. Okay, next, Sai Pradeep. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Is this copied or you written on your own?
Very good.
You wrote on your own, huh?
Yes, sir.
You have to capitalize this Google Meet, Zoom, Skype. All these are proper notes. Okay. Uh, get the word limit down to 300, 328. That's too much. So otherwise, the essay seems good. If you have written on your own, it's good. Okay. Next, Vinit Kumar. What is this Arab Spring? Hello? Vineet, can you hear me? You copied something which you don't even know what it is. What is this Arab Spring? See, if you mention this kind of percentage, if you mention some stuff that you don't even know, then how am I supposed to grade it? Huh? You please write on your own and resubmit. Okay? So clearly, it shows that you have copied this stuff from the internet. What is the point in submitting something like this? Huh? You need to resubmit, ma. I'm not grading now. Okay. Udipa, are you there? Uma Maheshwari, Udipa is there, huh? Okay. Okay. Why only 181 words? Huh? 300 word essay is required, na? This also copied, huh? I wrote on your own. Can you write a little more? It's only 181 words. Write and resubmit, okay? Right. We'll see in the next class. Uma Maheshwari, are you there? Not there. Vasant is graded. Okay. Vishnuvardhan Gautam, are you there? Not there. Yuvraj, Yuvraj is there. Okay. Have you written on your own the whole thing? Okay, no, don't put stuff like this, disadvantages. Okay, you have to write a sentence. Don't give any heading or some beginning like this. Okay, be careful of subject verb agreement. You have written social networking sites. Okay, sites is plural, so you need to write increase, not increases. Okay, subject and verb have to agree in number and person. Really important. Otherwise, the essay seems pretty good. Nice. Okay, anyone else in E2 requires grading? In E2 class, anybody else requires grading? Essay.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Sir, Rajesh.
Raja. E1 or E2, man, you are?
E2, sir.
What is your full name?
Raja Yadav. Simple, Rajesh.
Okay, okay. But you haven't submitted. How will I grade, man? Where is it? Just now you submitted, huh?
Sir, before class, sir.
Okay, let me recheck. Ah, okay. 1019 only you have submitted. No problem. How many words is this? 113 words. What am I supposed to do with this? You need to write a 300 word essay. Okay. So write more and submit. We'll check in the next class. Anybody else? E2? Anyone else?
Sir, sir,
Ah, name ma.
Uma Maheshwari from E2, sir.
Okay. Sorry. You were supposed to type it, but you have written it.
Yes, sir.
How many words is this?
Around 250.
Hmm. You need to bring it close to 300, okay?
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, the essay is pretty good, nice, hardly any mistakes. Nice. Anyone else from E2?
Thank you, sir.
Full name, please. Oh, okay. This session is being recorded and it will be sent to your HOD. If you want to make fun, make fun. Your choice. What is this, man? No space anywhere. Why such a big font? Does anyone use font size 24 for an essay? Huh? What is this, man? And you have written 433 words. And it looks like it's been copied from the internet. Please write on your own and resubmit. Okay, limited to 300 words. Decrease the font size to 12 maximum, 11 or 12. Don't use 24 and all as a font size. Okay, anybody else? Okay, those who haven't submitted E1 and E2, even the next session will be having the same thing. It is going to be personalized feedback because this is really important. Please make sure that you submit today. Okay, all these reports are going to your HODs. Fine, I'll just take your attendance and we'll wind up for today. Okay, so quickly, just tell me when your turn comes, just tell me present or not, and then we'll start off. We'll end it up. Sandhya, Santosh, Santosh, Santosh not there. Who's that? Santosh Kumar, Prashant, Satya, Ganesh Karthik, Selva Magesh, Selva Priya, Sendil Nathan, Shahid.
Yes, sir.
See, if you guys have already told your attendance, please mute your microphones. Prashant, mute your microphone, please. Prashant, mute your microphone. I don't think he's even listening to me. Anis Ahmad, Anis present. Huh? Okay. Sheikh Sajid, I missed Sendil Nathan. Okay. Okay, marked. Next, Shalini Priya,
Present, sir.
Sharmila, Vishnu Priya,
Present, sir.
Akash, Sindhuja,
Present, sir.
Akash, okay. Sindhuja, Shobana Lakshmi,
Sir.
Hema Sai,
Present, sir.
Sri Aishwarya,
Present, sir.
Sujit, Sunil Kumar, Surya, Surya Prakash, Shweta Reddy,
Present, sir.
Mohid Amin, Syed, Sendil Nathan, please mute. Sayyid Tausif, Tejaswin, Hitashree,
Present, sir.
Hemant Kumar, Jagdish, Manu,
Present, sir.
Manu Teja.
Jagdish present, sir.
Okay, pa. Manu Teja, Venkatesh, okay, Vardhan,
Present, sir.
Karthik, Sai Pradeep,
Yes, sir.
Vineet Kumar, Uma Maheshwari,
Yes, sir.
Vaishali,
Present, sir.
Vasant,
Yes, sir.
Venkat Shoban, Mani Balaji, Udipa,
Present, sir.
Venkatachalam, Vishnuvardhan, Vignesh,
Present, sir.
Vijay Lakshmi,
Present, sir.
Vijay Kumar,
Present, sir.
Vinita,
Present, sir.
Vishal, Vishnupriya,
Present, sir.
Vishnuvardhan, Gautam, Kavyashree, Pawan, Raja,
Present, sir.
Sai Krishna, Yogaraj, Yujita,
Present, sir.
Yuvraj.
Present, sir.
Okay, that's all for today. Once again, I'm telling you, please submit your essays by end of day and please write on your own. All right. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.